It was good, baby. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine. Ndo hadi nataka kutoka kwa nyumba niende kwa ofisi. Nataka kugrab coffee.
Okay, utapata kwa cafe.
Yeah, na nimekumiss pia. Tena come.
Just you.
Okay, love you.
Love you more.
Okay, bye.
See you.
Okay.
I'm just chatting with my friends, Nelly and Alex.
So who's Alex?
Just an old friend.
It seems he knows you very well.
Yeah. Why? You don't trust me anymore?
No, but
But what?
You two look lost. Can I help?
we are actually fine.
Thanks.
Are you sure? I am good in directions. I'm actually a travel blogger. Okay. I just wanted to help. You look like someone I would like to grab a coffee with.
I think we should be going.
Thanks, but no.
We are actually good. We should be going.
Okay, sure.
Thanks alikuwa nani?
Sipendi kuchoka.
Fungua.
Kataa kuingia. Kwa shimo.
Welcome. Okay. Iko messy but I think iko tamanage. Taki majirani wasikie. Sawa.
Asikie nini? Wasikie nini?
Nzuri.
Mbona tunaweza sikia?
By the Alex ni nani?
Just a friend.
Kuna venye tu ulikuwa unakuangalia. Don't like the way that girl alikuwa anakuangalia.
Wait. Kuniangalia does not mean that we are dating.
Yeah.
It's just an old friend.
But I'm jealous. I'm jealous.
But what? Why are you jealous?
We are dating, you know. Mommy, come on. I didn't mean to upset you. Needed to, sir. I'm a guy.
And so,
okay.
It does not mean that kila boy mwenye ananiangalia that kuna in a relationship or something fishy is going on.
I understand, but Nile, you know, I have to protect you.
But why are you being overprotective?
Nile, I just don't want to lose you.
Who said that you're going to lose me?
You know, I know I'm not perfect, but mommy, I love you with all my heart.
I love you too, but you're perfect the way you are.
You know, come on, that guy alikuwa anakaa tu somehow weird, unaona. The way alikuwa anakuangalia haikunibamba.
Okay, ni msemo mwenye tumeendelewa na yeye. Ni msemo mwenye tumeendelewa na yeye since tukiwa wadogo.
No, like, okay, wait, I don't understand this pattern yet. Mko just friends.
Babe.
Okay. Sijakataa. Okay, I have friends too, but mbona like mko that close? Mbona?
Ni kuhusu tumelelewa pamoja, so tunakanga kama brother and sister.
Brother and sister, na alikuwa anakuangalia na sexy eyes, anakana kama anataka kusinzia.
Babe, I'm sorry man.
No, okay, sijakataa you are sorry, but that guy mimi ananikalia. No, like hapana. No. That's not good. Like huyo jamaa aje sasa, friends aje.
Babe, pole.
Alikuwa ananiangalia alikuwa anataka kunipiga.
Haizi kupiga.
Okay.
Mimi namchukulia kama brother.
Okay, brothers don't just do that.
Amia.
Hey guys, you left your specs in our cafe, so I decided to bring them.
Thank you.
Hey, Nelly.
Excuse me.
Hey. Amia,
Yes.
you look stressed. What is happening? What's wrong?
Hassan. It's like an doubt that you're dating with Alex.
Mimi siku doubt najua na ni.
Hey, Hassan. Amia, Alex and I, sisi ni marafiki since we were kids.
Okay, but mbona huyo jamaa alikuwa anamwangalia hivyo?
There's really nothing there. We're just friends.
That's not cool.
Unafai kumwamini actually. She loves you. You should not doubt her. Alex is just a friend. Okay?
Okay, you know, I love my okay, she's my future wife and I want to protect her by all means. Like huyo jamaa, okay, amejanifurahisha.
I understand you are overprotective of her, but
Not just overprotective,
yeah, but then Alex is just a friend, nothing more.
Is it true, baby?
Yeah. So, mimi nimerudisha what brought me here and I think it's time for me to go.
Okay.
Babe,
Yes.
tutaonana baadaye.
So,
So people, love you. Smile.
Ndio mlango.
Make sure umetunza best yako. Sikuwa na stress tena.
Okay. I will do that.
Love you more. Tutapatana.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset you, okay?
It's okay.